159 Street. Next stop, 8th Avenue and West 57th Street. This stop is 8th Avenue and West 57th Street. Next stop, Central Park West in Columbus Circle. Transfers available to the 1A, B, C and D trains, B99, M12 and M7. This stop is Central Park West in Columbus Circle. Next stop, Central Park West and West 63th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 63th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 67th Street. Transfer available to M66. This stop is Central Park West and West 67th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 69th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 69th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 72th Street. Transfers available to the B and C trains and M72. This stop is Central Park West and West 72th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 75th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 75th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 77th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 77th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 79th Street. Transfers available to the B and C trains and M79 SBS. This stop is Central Park West and West 79th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 82nd Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 82nd Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 84th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 84th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 87th Street. Transfers available to the B and C trains and M86 SBS. This stop is Central Park West and West 87th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 88th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 88th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 90th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 90th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 92nd Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 92nd Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 94th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 94th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 97th Street. Transfers available to the B and C trains, M106 and M96. This stop is Central Park West and West 97th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 100th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 100th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 102nd Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 102nd Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 104th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 104th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 106th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 106th Street. Next stop, Central Park West and West 108th Street. This stop is Central Park West and West 108th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 111th Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 111th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 113th Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 113th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 116th Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 116th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 119th Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 119th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 121st Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 121st Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 123th Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 123th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 125th Street. Transfers available to M60 SBS, BX15, BX15 Limited, M100, M101 Limited, M3 and M101. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 125th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 127th Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 127th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 129th Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 129th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 133th Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 133th Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 135th Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 135 Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 138 Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 138 Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 141 Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 141 Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 143 Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 143 Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 145 Street. Transfer available to BX19. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 145 Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 148 Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 148 Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and Macombs Place. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and Macombs Place. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 153 Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 153 Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 155 Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 155 Street. Next stop, Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 158 Street. This stop is Fred Douglass Boulevard and West 158 Street. This is M10 to Harlem-159 Street. This is M10 to 57th Street, Broadway. Please exit through the rear door.